Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Nissan Silvia S15 from Fast and Furious. It's a Hot Wheels premium casting, and if I'm not wrong, this one is from the movie Tokyo Drift and was called Mona Lisa in that movie. If I'm not wrong, right? So let's open it up. Let's see how does it look. So here is the Nissan Silvia out of its box, and the first thing you will notice is this very cool looking paint job. It's more of modified thing going on here. Custom paint job. Wheels look kind of custom. Just chrome wheel deep dish one. Since it's a premium, so the tires are rubber. Now let's start from the front. Up front, you got some good details. You got detailed headlamp. You got, I think that's a Silvia badge. You got this paint scheme going up front with the blue, orange, white thing. You also got a splitter up front. Grill, and I think this black piece, I don't know if it's a rubber or it's just a paint scheme. We got the windshield wipers, both the mirrors, which is looking good. Now let's move to the driver's side. Since it's a Japanese car, so the driver's side is on the right side. The paint theme continues. You got the turn indicator here. We already talked about the wheels, they look good. It's a two-door one. You can see the door handle, fuel filler cap on the driver's side, and slight body kit. If you look, like there's a body kit slightly wider than the actual car, kind of makes it look like that. Coming to the back, again good details here. You got the Silvia written there, detailed tail lamp, got a big exhaust and a wing on the trunk on the boot. Looks good. Same purple, blue, orange or purple orange theme continues. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical, the only difference being the fuel filler cap. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how it looks from the bottom. Interior is done in black. That's all I can see, don't see any special details there. So overall, well, if you like JDM cars, or if you're a fan of Fast and Furious, you're gonna love it. Even if you are not a fan of Fast and Furious, if you like Japanese cars, you're still gonna love it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.